BMAPS Coordinator Tutorial, Part 1. We're going to review how to upload a preview box, take proceeds in books, create teacher and student wish lists, sell and redeem gift certificates, and manage restocks. How to upload a preview box. On your dashboard, look for Upload Preview Box and click on the link. Click Print Preview Box to view and print your preview box list. It will be added to your inventory. How to take proceeds in books. To take proceeds in books, go to Process a Sale, scan or enter the titles you want, then click Payment. Click Proceeds in Books, then click Process Payment. How to create a teacher wish list. To create a teacher wish list, find the Wish List tab in the menu, then click Teacher Wish List. Then you can scan or enter the titles. Enter the teacher name and grade in the corresponding text boxes. When you've finished, click Submit. How to create a student wish list. Similar to the teacher wish list, click on Student Wish List in the Wish List tab of the menu. Enter the titles, their name and grade, then click Submit. How to sell and redeem gift certificates. Please note, schools can buy gift cards in the following dollar values. Bookworm must know in advance if gift certificates will be sold, so they can be added to the inventory. When processing a sale, click on the Gift Certificate tab, then choose which gift card to purchase. Once the sale is processed, you can click Print Gift Certificate. If you missed it or need to print it again, you can find Print Gift Certificate in the main menu. When redeeming a gift certificate, you can find the payment option under Multi-Payment. Be sure to choose which certificate before entering the amount and certificate number. How to manage restocks. Find the Restocks tab in the main menu. These are the different options. Create Restock lets you create restock requests and send them to Bookworm. Quick Restock is great for sending short restock requests of 10 items or less. Restock Report gives you an overview of how many restocks sent with title details. Restock Sent/Received lets you see the titles requested by the school and how many were filled by Bookworm. To send a normal restock, click Create Restock. You can either scroll through the titles or search for the titles that need restocks and enter the quantities needed. When finished, click Review/Save and Print. Review your request, enter any comments you need, then click Send Restock. If you want to send a quick restock, click Quick Restock. You can scan or enter up to 10 titles, then click Submit. You can click Restock Report in the main menu and click Search to get a full list of restocks throughout the fair, or click Report in Excel to receive an Excel file of the report.